Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 3 of this office building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we started adding the interior walls. We started adding at the top and then in the middle where the elevator will be and the stairs. So now we're going to continue working on this. I just want to pause a bit so that you could pause the video and then you will see the dimensions of the walls here. So let's get started by clicking on the wall and typing in CS. That's create similar, and let's go to C3. So from C3, I want you to click on going on the left side and typing in 1680. After that, going down around 1450, and then going all the way up to the A grid line. So just going up to here. I want you to make sure that this is 90 degrees. So I just made a mistake and then I'm fixing it right now. After that, I want you to add a wall from here, from this spot, all the way down here. So click on the wall, CS, click on this. So this is B grid line. So all the way down. Press escape and then escape. And then we're gonna create a meeting room on this area. So that dimension will be around 3680. So click on the wall again, CS, and then just add in a wall similar to this, and then click on that wall, and then click here, 3680. And then we could use trim and extend so that we can extend this all the way here. So TR, click on this wall, and then the wall here. So that's easy. You'll be able to do that as well. We're also going to add in a wall right here. So same wall, click on the wall, CS, and around, let's see, from number 4 grid line, around 1000 would be good enough. This will be another meeting room, and this will be the boardroom. So the boardroom will be up to around here. So we're gonna add in the wall again, CS, and then click on that. And here we could change this to the 5 grid line, and this will be around 5990. 5990. So it's basically putting us around here, but that's too big. So I'm gonna change this to around 5700, or maybe 5500. Okay. And then after that, let's add in more office area, maybe 2 more, and then the service will be here. So click on the wall, CS, and then let's add in the wall right here, and then after that, click on this wall, and then this will be around 6100, and this will be, so I'm gonna move this one, and actually this is incorrect, so I'm gonna do this again. This will be around 3,000 only. 3,000, so I undo that, and then another 3,000. Okay, so 3,000. This will be the service area. So here we're gonna have the service area right here. We will also have an elevator for that. So for the service area, let's add in a wall right here. So for the elevator, that will be around similar to what we did here, around 2,900. Okay, so that's for the elevator. And then we're gonna have a simple corridor here for that. So CS, and then here we're gonna add in around 2,400. That's good enough room for that. And this will have a door and then a door right here going out. So that's good enough. This will be an open area. So for cubicles and all that, we're also going to add in something here. So we're gonna be adding more walls, CS, and this will be around the 6. So connect this one. So let's add this wall first, all the way right here. For this walls, let's just put this. So I'm gonna click here. I want to make sure that this is around 1,700. Okay, so that's good. And then this will be all the way here. And let's make this simple and then just add this in the middle of here. So from the 6, that's 6B, 1,600, 1,700 is the dimension here. And then I want you to close this off. And then after that, add in another wall right here. Something like that. This should be around 1,800 will be good enough. So that's good. We have 1,800. And then let's extend this a little bit. CS, and then just close this off like that. We will have a small area here. So this is around 2,900. And this will be storage room. And then this will serve as a small kitchenette for this area. So we're gonna open this up a little bit. I'm just making sure that I have everything, every wall that I might think of. Okay, so for the mechanical room, and then the washroom will be located here. So I'm gonna add in, what we could do is we could just move this one all the way up. Okay, so we could divide this to the washroom for women's and men's. Okay, and then we're gonna have a divider here. So CS, add a wall there, and that wall would be around. Let's move this to here. Around 1200 is good enough. And at the same time, on this area for the men's washroom, we're going to add this. Okay. And actually, I'm going to change this to 1400 instead. I might not have enough room for here. So, and then here, we're going to move this one a little bit. So this will be changed to around 1500 because we need space here. This will be the janitor's room or storage, and then there will be a mechanical here, so we could move this one all the way up here, and then this one as well, and then we're gonna add CS for plumbing here. So I'm gonna split this SL and just move it like that. And this, we could do this as 400. So that's good enough. And then later on, we're gonna start adding some doors so that you'll be able to visualize what we're trying to do here. I know it's hard to see it, but we're not yet done with adding more stuff. So here, I'm probably gonna add a wall and then use TR. This is just for closet space. So around 1200, and then just close this off. This, so closet, we're gonna add a closet there, and we're also gonna add a closet here, or something that we could add on. Okay, so this one around 850. Okay, so now we're ready to add in some door. We're just gonna use a regular door. So let's use this single flush, and then let's keep on adding it. So here, let's add it onto here so that you will be able to visualize. So we need some room right here. And then we're gonna keep on adding visuals. So here, this will be going there. Let's add it right here. More door. So you can even do CS on doors as well. So that's very convenient. Let's add here. That. And right here, this is the stairs. So we need this. Add it like that. This is the electrical room. This is the mechanical. This will be a shower area. This is storage. This is a small, maybe we could just open this up. So wall opening will be enough here. Let's add the door right here, like that. Press spacebar to change orientation. So this, we might open this up instead. So let's delete this. We might need to do a double door because this is service, and this will be the elevator. Let's add it here. So I'm gonna get later on a double door. But for now, let's finish this up. So I'm gonna zoom out, and I wanna make sure that this one is around 4500 only. Because I noticed that I forgot to change this. So 4500, and as you can see, everything followed, even the doors. And then here, we're gonna add in a closet. So CS, we can add it right here and like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unjoin this first. Type in AL, or in the under modify, this one is the icon AL. So that's align, and let's align this face. Press escape, and then now we could pull this out or pull this in so that everything is aligned. And then we could add in closet right here. So it's a good idea for us to load in some families. So go to insert, click on load family, and let's look for the door, which is around here. And then let's look for residential doors. Or commercial. Let's do commercial first. Let's do a double door. So this one might be good. So here we might use this, even though it's exterior. Don't worry about that. And then let's load everything. So click one and then scroll down, hold on shift, click on the bottom. So everything is highlighted, and then press OK. After that, you can go to architecture and click component, or you can type in CM, and then most of the time, so that didn't work because it's actually on the door. So we could just click on the door, and now we can see that we have different variation of those family. So here we could add in this door like so, and then we could add it right here. So we have a service door right here and right here, going here. So we have the double there. And then I want to actually change all the doors because this door, when we move it to Twinmotion, it doesn't have those knob. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load an interior door. So let's go back here and go to residential. Let's go interior door. And I know we have this single one panel wood. And then click on everything. Similar, click one, hold on shift and click on the bottom. And then press OK. Yes. And then now once we click, we will have those single ones. So the way to do it fast is you select one. So once you select one of them, right click and then go to select all instance, select visible in the view. So everything that we added on the view will be selected. And as you notice, this one didn't get selected because this is a different family. And then after that, you just go click on here and then go to the ones that we needed. So this is around 700 by 2000 or 2400. That's good enough. So 700 by 2400. So as you can see, it changed. You can see the graphic has changed and it becomes smaller. We can even go to 750 by 2400. And as you can see, it changes as well. So that's a fast way of changing a family to another family. So press escape and then escape again. And let's keep on adding doors. So I'm gonna click this door. Now type in CS. And we're gonna add one here. This is for the stairs. So this will be another stairs. We will need, sorry, this will be, so I'm gonna delete this first. This will be the entrance. So this should be double door, similar to this. So I'm gonna CS this. These are the elevator. This will be the entrance. So the lobby. And this will be for the office. We're gonna add in a wall here. And then now press escape and click on this. So the single door. Now this will be the stairs. And then this will be for electrical room. Let's add this door right here. This will be the IT. And then this will be facing that. And storage room here on the side. And we have a phone room here. These are all office on this side. So I'm just doing this. So click on spacebar if you want to change orientation. And depending where you put the side, it will flip. So this one, we could just put it right here. This will be the open area, open office. So we could add in more of that later on. This will be here. And then we have the boardroom here. We're gonna add in boardroom table. This is a meeting room. and this will be the boardroom. That will be the opening here, and we're gonna add an opening here as well, and then open this space up. So we're gonna open this, and then um, we're gonna finish that off. I'm just double checking if we miss anything else for this area, and we're gonna keep adding walls because this is we're gonna pull this off. So depending on what we do, we're gonna change this. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.